Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can save your story to your gallery. Maybe you want to save your story to your gallery but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can save your story to your gallery. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into your Instagram homepage. From here, you will see your Instagram profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, simply tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And from here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, you have to scroll down. And you will see in here Archiving and Downloading. Tap on it. And then in here, you'll see here Save Story to Gallery. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. And then in here, you'll see automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can save story to your gallery, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can save your story to your gallery, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.